One day, a rich dad took his son on a trip to a village. He wanted to show him how poor someone can be. They spent time on the farm of a poor family for many hours discussing, and on their return from the trip, the father asked his son, "How was the trip?" His son replied, "It was great, Dad." The father asked, "Did you see how poor people live?" He replied, "Oh, yes." The father then asked, "So tell me, what did you learn from the trip?" The son answered, "We have one dog, they have four. We have a pool, they have rivers. We have two lights at night, they have stars. We buy foods, they grow theirs. We have wall to protect us, they have friends. We have television, they spend time with their family and relatives." The boy's father was speechless. Then his son added, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are." Moral of the story: it is not about money that make us rich. It is simplicity, love, compassion, friendships, values, family that makes our lives rich. If you don't subscribe now, you may miss out on our valuable series. Hit the subscribe button to receive our updates every week and join our journey towards success and inspiration.